told my family I was moving abroad, and everybody got silent. Crickets. How do you stay strong in a new season? Like, how do you clap for yourself? I would say to do that I did that helped me is, number one, become so sure in your decision. We were not running from America. We weren't going to move abroad because we thought it would be paradise. Become so sure of why you did it. That may take you writing it down, the pros and the cons. That might take you saying, hey, I just want to try something different. There's no one holding you hostage to say you can't try something different. People are going to ask you, and they're going to ask questions that would make you feel like you want to slap them. Don't slap them. People made comments once they found out when we moved abroad, like, are you guys living in the jungle, like in a hut? We live amongst human beings and life. The second thing I would say to do is find your support group. That might not be your family. That might be people you meet online. That can be through a community, or it can be through networking. Find your new support group. Doesn't mean that you diss your family or you diss your old friends. The ones who are not rocking with you, they're gonna fall off. But we found a couple who we love dearly. We had no idea we would get this close to them, and they would be such a blessing to us and our marriage and our life, all that stuff. We started just talking to them, and as we made the move, they became a support group that we didn't know we needed. Man, they loved us, they poured into us, they watched out for us, they advised us, and we never had that before. If you're thinking about relocating or you're retiring, whatever, start searching for where you want to go. Facebook groups and things like that, it's huge help. Some I've gotten great answers from. Some YouTube channels I've gotten good information from. Number 3, be okay being misunderstood. People will misunderstand you even if you do the right things that they think you should do. If I follow the same exact path that you tell me to follow, I end up exactly where you're at. And if you're not happy where you're at, you're not content where you're at, why would I follow that same path? So when we started homeschooling, people thought we were crazy then. But I said, if we all follow the same exact path, we're probably going to end up at the same place. 65, 70, retiring, you can't move, you hate your life now because you got probably 5 years left. Why would we want to follow the same exact plan? Doing things differently could be a shock. Living out of a different system can be nerve-wracking. But what do you get by just doing what everybody else is doing? You don't really get anything. I wasn't trying to go out and make people understand why I made the decision that was for me and my family. It was more so, you don't have to understand it. I'm not asking you to understand it. I'm not convincing you to do anything. I'm just living life the way I would like to right now. If I feel led by God, then I'm going to do that. Those 3 things are things that I've actually done. Maybe they help you. Stay strong with those 3 things. Why did I make the decision? Who can I actually get around now as a support system? And can I be okay being misunderstood? That's what I mean by staying strong in this new season of your life. If it's retiring, if it's you relocating, I want you to stay strong. My main objective is to help people who are going into transitions to a new season, help them stay strong physically, mentally, and even spiritually. So let me know in the comments, what are you thinking about doing, or what have you done where you're not understood and you're like, I just need to stay strong? Let me know in the comments. I would love to talk to you.